Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use follow-up boss for real estate property management. So the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for follow-up boss. That's right, and then you'd be able to see this first website right here. So you just have to simply click on this one. Now you will be directed to this section. Okay, after that, you just have to click on the free trial option. That's right, and here you can try free for 14 days. So you can have full access to follow up both CRM, accounts for everyone in your team, unlimited calling, texting, and emailing, integrations with 200 plus lead sources, iPhone and Android apps, and a 7-day a week support. So you can sign up with your Google, sign up with your Microsoft, or fill out this form right here. After that, just click on the Start My Free Trial. Okay, now right here, when you click on this see a demo option, you would be directed to the section, and then you can watch a team demo and a solo demo if you cannot create an account. Okay, so as of the moment, we cannot really log in or sign up for an account. I don't know what's happening to the website, but if it gets fixed, then you just have to sign up or click on the free trial option at the top. So now what we are going to do here is I'm just going to show you the overview of this platform. Okay, so right here, so we have FUB helps you get organized, engage with your leads, coach your team, and how we're different. So open OS, 250 plus integrations, and better support, easy migration. So let's just go and click on the get organized. Okay, so right here for the lead sources, you can connect your leads from every source. So pull in leads automatically from 200 plus lead sources. So you can manage your own personalized client database within a single OS. So capture and follow up with leads from one place. Keep a full control of your client data on your terms, and choose the lead providers that works for you. Now for the lead distribution, you can get lead to the right person. So improve speed to lead and client satisfaction. Assign lead to your team via round robin or first to claim. And then distribute leads by area, price, or MLS number. And then organize lead pans to let agents discover more deals. And here you can sync your website leads and see their activity. So Pixel gives you detailed info on each lead. So what campaign they came from, which listings they viewed, and when they're looking at your site. See when clients are on your website right now. So use any website you want. So keep your data. Even if you change websites, track what listings clients view and save. Okay, now let's proceed to the engage with your leads. Okay, so right here for the action plans, you can send an auto text and drip emails to leads. So make sure every lead gets an immediate response from your team, and then ensure consistent, persistent follow up. Okay, so personalized text and emails so increase conversion, create a task checklist to systematize your process, and automatically prompt your team to reach out personally. Now, for the smart list, know who to follow up with and when. Sort and prioritize your leads into smart lists and turn every agent into a high performer. So remove the guesswork and stop wasting time on the wrong leads. So instantly see your most important leads, and when they're due for a touch, dynamic filters let you segment leads without effort and eliminate missed opportunities. Okay, now let's proceed to the coach your team. Okay, so right here you can build a culture of accountability, so you can equip your team with the intelligence and tools they need to hit their goals. So for the reporting, measure your team's performance so you can get advanced insights into your agent's performance with the pre-built and customizable reports. So visualize speed to lead, conversions rates, and other metrics to identify coaching opportunities. Track appointments set by agents and see their outcomes over time. And make better decisions by analyzing teams, deal pipeline, and monitoring commissions and closing. Now, for the letterboard, so you can motivate your agents, so make it easy for your team to know where everyone stands and find areas they can improve. So, automatically count up your team's activity and share it publicly with a beautiful dashboard. Power your monthly sales meetings with key analytics and make it known who's leading in metrics that really matter. So, close deals, volume, and JCI. Now, for the call coaching, listen to calls for better conversation. So, automatically record your team's call so you can review what went well or what did not, and save a full history of every conversation forever. Download and share call recordings for coaching sessions. Never forget important details or taking points with AI powered call summaries and transcripts. And for the mention section, spotlight important notes and feedback. So comment directly on your team's progress to motivate and train them on best practices. Celebrate victories and gives your team kudos, and call out areas to improve in real time, and collaboratively coach on conversion strategies. Okay, now let's go to the 250 plus integrations. Okay, so FUB does not just support integrations. Integrations are the core of their visions for what a CRM should be. So get leads from anywhere, connect all your favorite tools, and manage everything from one place. So you decide what gives your team an edge. So the FUB brings it all together. Okay, so here we have MailChimp, Real Scout, Lopo, Zapier, Agent Legend, Call to Action, Street Tags, and more. So there are so many tools that you can integrate with follow up boss. So using this platform for your real estate business, it provides reports and insights so you can see which strategies are working and where you need to improve. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.